Hello, welcome to Magical Maidens Jewelry Tutorials, and today I have some glass cabochon pendants that I got from BB Craft. So I did an unboxing and review from BB Crafts, and I will link that on the end screen as well as below this video in the description box. And I have a special link for these glass cabochon pendants that will be below in the description box as well. And I also have a 10% discount code off of your total order whenever you order something from BB Crafts, whether it be these pendants or anything from my unboxing or review or whatever you want. BB Crafts has a lot of different types of crafts, so it's not just jewelry making supplies, it's all kinds of things, so you really should check them out. And again, that special link for these pendants will be below, and the discount code is a 10% discount code. It's magical, MAGIKAL, the number 10, and all of that will be below, and I'll remind you towards the end of this video. So I also will be doing a few more tutorials using some of the items that you might have seen in my unboxing and review. And again, if you haven't seen that unboxing or review, please go check it out. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so these are the 6-piece set that I had gotten from BB Crafts, that I received from BB Crafts. And as you can see, they're all so very nice. They're a little bit different. And this one, now the backs are all very nice and a little different, as well as the front. But look at this one. That's the back. It has some flower inlay. So if you just wanted to wear this side up, you can. So it's kind of like a reversible two-sided pendant. Isn't that nice? And all the backs on these are really nice and shimmery and glittery. And this one as well, even though this one's a more plain kind of pendant compared to all of these are kind of Victorian and a little fancy. So it comes with matching glass cabochons. Now, I'm going to give you some ideas. So if you haven't seen my last few videos, now I had another glass cabochons I got in another unboxing or review I did about a month ago from BB Crafts. You could all find all of those unboxing or reviews in my review playlist if you haven't seen that one as well. And with that, I did a faux opal. Another one is just painting it a solid color. So today what I already gone and did was, for time's sake, I painted this white. And as you can see, so if you just want a solid color, you could do that. And I'm not done. It probably needs a second coat, but look how pretty that is just by itself. Do a second coat. I put the first coat on for time's sake, and it's good to put 1 or 2 coats, and because it's nail polish, it dries really fast. You could put a little fan over it so it dries even faster. But what you want to do is you want to really make sure you get that on your glass cabochon. Now that I put the second coat on this, I'm just going to let it dry, because you really want it so that you're not seeing through that, because when you put it back on here, you want it to look really nice. Okay, so I'm going to give you another idea that you can do. So I'm going to move these out of the way. Now, I have these beautiful cutouts. So what you can do is go to Pinterest or an editor or of some kind, and what you would do is, if you go to Pinterest, go in the search and put jewelry printables, flower printables for making jewelry, or Gothic printables for making jewelry, or cat printables for making jewelry. I think you get the idea. Okay, So what I'm going to do is I've decided that I want this one. It's all purple. And I'm just going to put a little bit of Mod Podge all over it, sparingly. I'm going to use enough, but not too much, because it will take time to dry and then it will be clear once it's dry. So you want to make sure it's all over there. Okay? You don't want too little, but you don't want too much. All right? Because otherwise you won't be able to see exactly where you're putting your pendant. Okay, so now we're going to get this, make sure it's clean, and we're going to place it on top. All right, so I'm just moving this so I can see it. And now push down, and we can clean the top later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this somewhere and I'm going to let it dry overnight. The technique is combining two different colors of nail polish. You can just do so many things. Like I said, you can use stickers with clear nail polish and just have a lot of fun. So here I'm gonna just put some, and you can even go like this if you want to, like, put a little purple. Then you can take some black and then you're gonna go around. I'll let you see what that looks like, maybe with the little light. It's got like a marbling effect. All done. Once this is all adhered, I'm going to clean it with the Q-tips and some rubbing alcohol, and then you can stick a jump ring on here, and you could either put it on a choker or a chain, and it's really beautiful. And these are a nice size. All these pendants are nice size. So here we go. This is the purple and black. It has a marbling effect. And I wanted you to see what it looked like in the daylight, as my ring light tends to drown it out. But look at that. Look how cool it is. So this is the pendant, the one with the flower inlay on the back. And I love this. You could turn it around. So there's so many things you can do with these glass cabochon pendants. So here are the three different types that you can do. A solid white, some photo paper with Mod Podge, or two colors. This one is purple and a black swirl. Sometimes it looks like a royal blue in the light, but in person it's this color right here. And that's what it's going to look like. So these are your options. And like I said, go ahead and look at my jewelry tutorial playlist. In there you'll find so many different things you can do with glass cabochons. And BB Crafts has not just glass cabochon pendants, but they also have rings, bracelets, earrings, and more. So go check that out. So here's the white one. You saw the purple one. And look how nice that looks. So remember to find the links below this video. The special link for these pendants will be below this video in the description box, as well as the 10% discount code. And remember to watch the unboxing and review from BB Craft if you didn't do that as well. And now I'm going to show you the last option, the one where I used photo gloss paper and Mod Podge that I made with the Mod Podge and the glossy photo paper of a purple and black rose. So the other one that was purple, I painted purple and black with nail polish. Then the other one was with white nail polish, and this is another option. But if you look at my jewelry tutorial videos, you'll see that I have, again, many things with glass cabochons, and you can do so many more different things with them. And these pendants are really a lot of fun to work with, and they look really nice on. So thanks for watching, and remember to check out all those links in the discount code, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.